In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font in Affinity by Canva. We'll start by grabbing a free font from Google Fonts, install it on your computer, and then use it right inside your Affinity apps. By the end, you'll be able to style your text with the exact typeface you want. Open your web browser and go to fonts.google.com. This library hosts thousands of open source typefaces you can use in personal and commercial projects, but it's still a good habit to skim the license on each font's page. Use the search bar to find a style you like, preview your own text, and adjust the size and weight to see how it will look in your design. Once you've chosen a typeface, open its page and click the Download Family button. Your computer will save a zip file, usually in the Downloads folder. Remember the font's name so you can find it later inside Affinity. Next, locate the file you just downloaded, open your Downloads folder, and double-click the zip to extract it. You'll see one or more font files inside, typically ending in .ttf or .otf. These are the actual files your system uses to make the font available to all apps. Open one of the font files to preview it. On Windows, you'll see a viewer window with sample characters. On macOS, it opens in Fontbook. This preview is just a quick check to confirm you've got the right style and that the file isn't corrupted. Now click Install. Confirm any prompts from your operating system. If the family includes multiple styles like regular, italic, bold, or semi-bold, install each file so every style is available later in your design. Installation usually takes just a second or two. With the font installed, switch back to Affinity by Canva. Open your document in Affinity Designer, Photo, or Publisher, and grab the text tool so the font controls are visible. Newly installed fonts typically appear right away. To find the font, open the font drop-down in the context toolbar or the character panel and start typing the font's name to jump directly to it. Choose the style you installed, such as regular or bold, and apply it to your text. If you had text selected, it will update instantly. If not, select the font first and then begin typing so your new text uses it from the start. Some families include variable fonts that show up as a single entry with adjustable weight. If you see that, it's normal. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, and applied a new font, and it's ready for any Affinity project you create.